I'm going to show you how to sell on the pre-market, how your selling price can change at delivery time, what conditions need to be met to cancel your order, and other related things. I'll be using Bitget Premarket to explain how pre-market trading works. Also, I've been farming the major Telegram app, so I should receive major tokens before the listing date. I'm going to sell some of my major tokens on Bitget's pre-market. The current major pre-market price is 0.009. Here is a list of all available buy and sell orders. Orders with the lowest buy price and highest sell price are listed at the top. If I wanted to buy, I would have to pay 0.009 USDT per token. But since I'm selling, I need to look at the sell price of 0.0075 USDT per token, click sell. I want to sell 1000 major tokens. But I get an insufficient balance message. The available amount for this offer is only 850.4 major tokens. So I can't sell more than that. That's fine, I'll enter 850.4 into this field. Once submitted, 6.378 USDT will be locked until the delivery time. I also need to pay a 0.1595 USDT transaction fee. At this point, users often ask a typical question. What if I don't have enough tokens at the delivery time? The answer is simple. You'll lose your reserved USDT. In my case, I would lose 6.3780 plus 0.1595 USDT. The second question is how much time will I have between the TGE and the delivery time? Usually, delivery happens about 8 hours after the token's listing. If you have more questions, leave them in the comments. Now let's go ahead and click sell. Order placed successfully. You can check your orders on the My Orders page. Then go to the Pending Delivery tab. There is the order I just created. Next, I'll show you how your reserved USDT looks. Go to Assets and then Spot. You'll see that 6.378 USDT is listed in the reserved column. Now let's return to the My Orders page and open the order details. Click Confirm on the order. Nothing happens. I guess this step isn't necessary, since we already confirmed the order at the beginning. Let's open the order details again. Here you can find the order creation time. The transaction time shows when Bitget reserved my 6.378 USDT. The field quantity shows how many major tokens I'm selling. The unit price is the price per token. The delivery time has a pending status. It will be available once major announces its listing time. Now let me explain how delivery works. Delivery means that your tokens will be automatically withdrawn from your Bitget account and deposited into the buyer's account. My only task is to make sure I have 850.4 major tokens in my Bitget spot account balance by the delivery time. That's it. Close the view. Next, open the History tab. Here you'll find the current order status. It's marked as fully filled. That means there is nothing more we can do with this order. Now let's answer another common question. How do I cancel a pre-market order? Well, this order can't be cancelled because it's already fully filled. Now I'll show you how to cancel an order and explain what types of orders can be cancelled. In pre-market trading, I can be either a taker or a maker. As a maker, I create the order myself, Let's create one now. I'm going to sell again. This time I'll use the Coin Settlement tab, which is the most common scenario in my experience. The USDT delivery scenario is slightly different and a bit more complicated. But if you want to know more, leave a comment. The default price is 0.0085, but I'll change it to 0.1, which is obviously unrealistic. Let's set the amount to 100 major tokens and create an unrealistic order that no one would want to fill. Click Sell. Now go to my orders. Here is the new order I just created. Notice the order type is Maker order, unlike the previous one, which was a Taker order. Look at the field 0% filled. This means no one is willing to buy tokens at 0.1 USDT price. Since my order isn't fulfilled, I can cancel it. Just click the Cancel button to remove the order. Now you know what kind of orders you can cancel and what you can't. One more thing you need to know. According to Bitget and other exchange rules, they can adjust the coin quantity if the total supply changes. Currently, Bitget issued a credential token based on a total supply of 10 billion tokens. Once the major project team officially announces the tokenomics, Bitget will proportionally adjust the quantity and price of your filled orders to reflect the actual supply, mapped from the initial 10 billion supply. In practice, this means the following. Let's assume that the major project team announces a total supply of 100 billion tokens. That's 10 times more tokens than what Bitget issued for pre-market trading. As a result, I would have to deliver 10 times more tokens, not 850, but 8,500 tokens. And the price of each token would also drop by 10 times, making it 0.00075 USDT per token. This is important to know. I encountered a similar scenario when selling DOGS tokens. You can check out how that worked in another video, linked in the description below. That's everything I wanted to share for now. If you found this information useful, subscribe and leave your questions in the comments. Now I just need to wait for the announcement about the major token listing time and tokenomics to see if the supply changes. Once that's confirmed, I'll need to prepare my tokens, either by transferring them to Bitget or to any other exchange you use for pre-market trading. The final step will be the delivery time, where my tokens will be transferred and I'll receive my USDTs.